You thought you was slick, but you slipping, yeah, yeah. Almost had me thinking you was different, yeah, yeah. Now I'm out here wildin' with my niggas. Yeah, now I'm out here wildin' with my niggas. Out here wildin' with my niggas.
Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I am back with another makeup look with a natural hairstyle, but today your girl's hair is blow dried, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and style my edges, and then I'm gonna get into my makeup, and y'all can just watch me slay, you know? Oh, and I guess I'm gonna do some like get lit clips in here because you guys really liked that last time, and usually when I'm doing makeup I'm jamming out to my music anyway, so yeah. Real quick before I hop into this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell button if you're new to my channel, and go ahead and join Beauty Gang. We are super lit over here. Super lit, okay? And you might as well just join the gang, because why wouldn't you want to be a part of this lituation, you know? Once you do that, let's hop into this video.
All these little things, man, they keep me focused. Focus, keep me focused. All these little things, man, they keep me focused. Boot up, boot up, baby, it just won't stop, it go boot up, baby, boot up, ooh, I'll never get over you, something new, that get me high like you do.
Married now. ain't true. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. So don't forget me. Look at where we are.
Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far.
Went too far.
Funny that it's always been all about you from the start.
I met someone new last night and we kicked it
And I'm going
back there tonight.
You know what's on my mind.
This time out of body. That's just how I feel when I'm around you, shawty. Can I just say for the record, it is so weird how like substantial falsies can just enhance your look. Like, that don't even make no sense. When it all falls down, I'm telling you. Southside, West side, West side. Alright, yeah, I promise. She's so subconscious. Shot-town, Shot-town, we get down.
All the trees high enough,
Baby,
leaves so high.
feet won't touch the ground. Everything gonna be alright, baby.
Been tapping you for a long time. Everything gonna be alright. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Look how I'm living now. Police be tripping now. America. I just checked my follow and listen. You motherfuckers owe me. Get your money, black man.
Black man.
Get your money, black man.
Black man.
Get your money, black man.
Black man.
Get your money, black man. Black man. Get down. Baby girl, you a star. Don't let them tell you you're not.
Is it real?
Eyebrows, fingernails, hair.
Is it real?
If it's not, girl, you don't care. Cause what's real is something that the eyes can't see, that the hands can't touch, that
The girls can't be, and that's you. Alright y'all, so this is my finished look. Something very simple and slight because I have so much already going on. I didn't have to like beat my face because I feel like the star of the show is obviously my hair. It is blow dry because I know I'm gonna still get questions, even though I feel like it's kind of like obvious that my hair is blow dry. But a lot of times when my hair is in this state, I get a lot of questions of people asking, what did you do to your hair? Is it stretched? Yes, I blow dried my hair. I guess I might as well show you guys my outfit, even though this isn't a get ready with me, but I look really cute. It's this 2-piece set, and I will actually have a video on my channel really soon on where I got this set from, but it's super cute. Got a nice little booty in it. It's a nice little skirt. So yeah, I look super cute and super fly. You cannot deny. Oh, I did just run. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a beautiful and great Memorial Day weekend. Please make sure you'll be safe and be sure to tune in on Monday for my new video, because if you don't know, I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And by the way, before I forget, let me do my post notification shout out. Alright you guys, so today's post notification shout out goes to Alana or Alania McClain. I really hope I pronounced that right, y'all. I am horrible with pronouncing names, but hopefully I pronounced it right. Alana McClain. I really hope I pronounced it right. I'm sorry if I didn't, but shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being a part of Beauty Gang, and thank you for being a part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly getting a shout out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button afterwards so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every video of mine that you see, go ahead and hashtag Notification Squad, Notification Gang. Come up with something that shows me or tells me that you're a part of the notification, circle, and you have the potential to get shouted out. But that is all I have for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely do want to start doing more of these in the summertime because you guys tend to really like these, especially because I don't do like the foundation and contouring that's all over YouTube. I guess I kind of bring something different to the table because I don't wear foundation and I don't contour and all that stuff. I kind of just do simple makeup, but it still makes me feel beautiful and just enhances my features. So yeah, if you guys want more of these, definitely be sure to comment it below. And I guess that's all I have for you guys. Please don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and again, subscribe if you are new, and hit that bell button. And until next time, guys, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you want. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you're on me. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.